On 16 February 2021, a special district-level Medi-Camp associated with the Sanitary Pad project by NAB Foundation was organized for Lumoria, Shillong, Tharbamon villages by Jaintia Hills Development Society (JHDS) and NABARD with support from NAB Foundation Mumbai, DHMO, Barato PHC and Sasnyang PHC. The medical camp was organized by 3 SHGs promoted by MSRLS and JHDS, will take part in this year's long project in West Jaintia Hills, the only district to be selected from Meghalaya. The medical camp was kick-started in the presence of Shri G. N. Kharlukhi, AGN NABARD, and Father Manbha Pakem, Director, JHDS. The core message of the medical camp in the midst of the pandemic was on women's health, menstrual hygiene, and sanitation. The rural SHGs themselves will start manufacturing sanitary pads with training and skills as well as raw material, all sourced from India's famous pad man and Padma Shri, Dr. Arunachalam Muruganatham. The project in Meghalaya and Laskin will be led by women and will focus on livelihoods, low-cost pads, and making pads accessible to schools, Angarwadi, and village households. This is a small start to bridge the gap in awareness about menstrual hygiene and cervical cancer in rural women, as well as create a pilot mode for other SGS to emulate and also to intensify credit linkage and better livelihoods for women in Jaintia Hills.